Hello and welcome to ICSC 2026 here in Las Vegas. And today we have Ron. How are you, Ron?
I'm well, thank you.
Yeah, are you enjoying the show?
This is our first show, and it's been quite interesting, and I am.
Yeah, did you have any expectations coming in for the first time?
Well, expectations, not really. Anticipation, I think, more, to try and find leads and, see what the industry was like.
Yeah,
So-
and where are you from?
So I live in Northern California, up in the Sierra Nevadas. Our company is based out of San Luis Obispo, Atlas Civil Designs, but it's a unique company that we're all remote. So we have engineers all across the country.
That's amazing. Do you want to talk a little bit about Atlas and what you guys do?
So we are Atlas Civil Designs. We do any kind of civil engineering for any kind of property, from shopping centers to hospitals to college campuses. So we're working on a college campus down in Southern California right now, doing a sports bowl for them. But so our newest venture is to do accessibility, to include the accessibility,
Which is extremely important.
It is really important. It's important for society, but we all need it eventually, and your parents need it eventually, and there are people born with disabilities, which and I do care about it. I've been certified for 14 years now in California, and it's been a very rewarding career.
Yeah, and like you said, it's kind of an endless service, right? Like, you're gonna need it at some point in your life, and there's never gonna be a time where that shouldn't be available.
Yes.
So what are some of the things you guys are doing?
So I do a lot of evaluations on properties for commercial Title III is what they are. It's shopping centers or hotels, things like that. So I'll go and do a site evaluation, prepare a report so that the owners know what the risks they may, have. And especially in California, there's a lot of litigation here in California. But there's a lot of companies across the nation that are actually proactive, and they want to do the right thing. So, I'll go out there and prepare the report, and then they'll have that information in front of them. And so our company can now, if there's issues with the parking lot or the walkways or something, then we can actually provide site accessibility plans for improvements.
That's amazing. So what do you feel like is some of the mistakes that commercial properties or residential properties maybe make when it comes to accessibility?
Not caring
at all, or maybe not thinking about it?
Well, I mean, the civil rights law has been around since 1990. So most people know what it's about. I think there's two different line of thought on business owners. One is, I don't care. I don't get anybody in a wheelchair.
That's horrible to say.
It is. And then they get sued, and then they care.
And then they care.
Right. But then the other line of thought is which most of my clients is big property owners that want to be proactive. Not that they don't want to be sued, which I don't, but they want to improve their properties for access to all, which I think is the smart way to go.
Yeah, I feel like you're advocating in a sense, right? Because you're part of this company, but also it's like you're doing something that's changing the world for better.
Yes.
Yeah.
I believe that.
I do too.
In my heart, I do.
Yeah, I do too. And so what do you think is the future for the company?
Well, I really want to expand Atlas Civil Design into this realm of accessibility. I've been doing it for a long time. I own my own company for a long time, and I really specialize in design. So teaming up with a design firm gives me that opportunity to see a project from start to finish. Know what the risks are, know what the violations are, get our design team to put those on paper. I review every set of plans that goes out so that it's guaranteed to be a compliant set of plans. Unfortunately, there are a lot of architects and engineers that kind of miss some of the nuances of the technical aspects of the code. And so that's another service that we provide, I will evaluate, or I'll do a plan review on architectural plans or civil plans, and I'll make my comments, show them what the code is, say here's how it needs to be designed, and it's best to do it on paper than it, instead of out in the field after it's done.
You're kind of, being preventative with them, and that's amazing. Yeah, is there anything else you'd like to highlight on with the company?
Well, we take a lot of pride in what we do. I mean, I think top of our field. Our design team, we have, like I said, engineers all across the country, and they're all trained by me in accessibility. They have all full access to me all the time because I'm an in-house. So we really want to just focus on getting shopping centers and whatever else, anybody that needs it, get them the help that they need and get it done right.
That's awesome. I love that so much. Well, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you. We're enjoying it.